Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you install ChatGPT plugins on your ChatGPT account. So let's get right into it. So all you need to do here guys is to make sure that you are subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, which is the paid version of ChatGPT in order to use this feature. So all you have to do is select your profile here in the lower left corner and settings and beta. Go over to beta features and make sure that plugins is enabled. That and then once you're here, create a new chat like that and make sure to go ahead and scroll down and plugin store. And then here you can use here install here what any G plugins that you like to install. So for example, you want to install this, and then you can make an account with that. So once installed, all you have to do is go over and chat with PDF. Make sure to read the mechanics on how to use this link. And all you need to do here is chat with everything from entire PDF and provide a link for the PDF. So for example, we can go ahead and try to upload a PDF here. So for example, this let's try to upload a PDF. So for example, to documents. So let's try and let's see and go over to our downloads and documents. So here, so we can try and upload here. So there, all you have to do here guys is make sure to share this one and make sure it is anyone with the link. Copy link, none. Let's try that on the app or the plugin. And then provide the link. So all you have to do here guys is make sure that the plugin is selected and then enter. And then it is now working on the PDF. So all you have to do here guys is just wait for it to finish. And there guys, so as you can see, it's now generating the result that we want. And there guys, so all you have to do is wait for this to finish and you should be good to go with this. So there guys, once done with that, you can then ask the plugin within this chat. So for example, give me the 5 and then all you have to do is wait for this to finish again. And there, guys. So as you can see, it's now generating again. And there. So thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.